Welcome back to Moby's Kitchen. Today we're going to be making chicken enchiladas. And we're going to be making two kinds of chicken enchiladas. And here are the ingredients. So we have red enchilada sauce, green enchilada sauce, roasted chicken, corn tortillas, flour tortillas, Oaxaca cheese, black sliced olives, we have diced jalapeños, cilantro, and avocado. And you can get soft taco size tortillas. And this is an easy weeknight recipe, so let's get started. Okay, so now we're gonna take the skin off the chicken and then we're gonna pull it. Now again, this is an easy weeknight meal, and you just pull the chicken, shred all the chicken, and then we'll be on to our next step. Okay, so we just pulled the chicken. I used 2 chickens because we're making a lot of enchiladas. So I have the white breast and the thigh meat, what do you call it, Mike?
The dark meat and the white meat.
Dark meat, that's right, the dark meat. Sorry, brain fart for a second. And Kimber is over here just begging for a bite. So here you go, Kimber. There you go. She's not gonna leave my side for the rest of the night while this chicken is here.
So we're making this meal for Mother's Day, and Bobby's mom is over here, my mother-in-law. There she is, Sharon. And my nephew's over here too. He'll be on later. We're gonna do a little taste testing at the end. So we're gonna continue on to the next step. What do you say?
All right, let's do it. Okay, so now we're gonna build our enchilada. So first, I'm gonna make a green chicken enchilada. So we're gonna dip it in the green enchilada sauce.
So you're using flour for this one, right?
Yes, this is flour. Sorry, I did not say that earlier.
That's okay.
So you just dip it like that. I like to dip both sides. And this is gonna get messy. Your hands are gonna get messy. So a little bit of chicken in it. You can just, however much chicken you want. That's probably good. And then you do your Oaxaca cheese. Now this one, it's on the bigger side, I guess. You could do it smaller. And then you could do jalapeno. And then you roll it up.
Kimber's having fun with the kids back there.
You can roll it up in the dish.
So you did half the dish, it looks like, with
red. I'm gonna
red
do,
and half with green.
Yeah, I'm gonna do one side green and one side red, one side with flour, one side with corn.
All right. So we're gonna do a corn one next, right?
We'll do a corn one next.
Okay.
Okay, now we're gonna make our red enchiladas. So we have the corn tortilla. So we're gonna dip it in the red. Okay, and then some chicken.
So you've got your chicken mix, by the way. We didn't mention that.
Yes.
You've got your dark and white meat chicken mixed together.
Mm-hmm.
If you don't like dark meat or you don't like white meat and you just want one or the other, just keep them separate.
Cheese, Oaxaca cheese. And do we want jalapeno in these?
Yeah.
Okay.
I do.
Jalapeno. Okay, and then we're gonna flip these this way, like that, because they're shorter. So there you go. And then we're gonna do that until the casserole dish fills up, and we'll be right back with you. Okay, make sure you preheat your oven to 350. And now we're gonna top the enchiladas with cheese and our other toppings. So here we go.
So because the corn tortillas were a little smaller, we did 3 and then kind of wedged one at the end. It kind of broke a little bit, but that's okay. That doesn't matter. It'll still taste good.
Yeah. So just put however...
The key there, Bobby, is just cover it with cheese.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Put however much cheese you want. I like a good amount of cheese. What about you, Mike?
Yeah, I love cheese. I think you're good though. I'm okay with that. Once it melts, it's gonna be just a big old thing of cheese.
That's good. And then I also like to top it with a little bit of sliced olive. Not too much, just a little. That's probably good. Then a little bit of jalapeno.
Now there's jalapeno, as you know, inside too, so however spicy you like it.
Yeah. Okay, and that's good. And then we're gonna put it in the oven and bake until all the cheese melts and maybe it gets a little bit of golden on the top. Okay, so the enchiladas have been in at 350 for 30 minutes and we're gonna take them out. So let's see how they turned out. Very good.
All right, so Bobby made these wonderful enchiladas, but let me show you who's taste testing tonight. We've got our daughter Peyton, you've met her in other videos. My mother-in-law Sharon is here, and my nephew Blake. Blake's really excited, he doesn't know what to say quite yet, but we're gonna see if he tries it out and enjoys it. So you guys try it, just go for it. I don't wanna make you wait any longer. We've got a nice salad with some cilantro lime dressing that we made too. That recipe's on the channel, I'll link it down there below in the description. What do you think, Bobby? Good? Which one are you trying first?
The green.
The green one, okay.
It's good.
Which
I
one
tried
did you
the
go?
green.
You like that one too?
I did the green one first also, and it was good.
All right.
It's really good.
Good?
Yeah.
You like it too, Blake?
Yeah.
All right. What about the red ones? Have you guys tried that one? That's the corn tortilla one. Totally different taste.
I like the corn.
You like the corn? Do you like the corn better?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
I like the corn better.
All right.
That's good too.
I think I like the green better.
So
but
you like the flour
I like
tortilla?
the red still. But.
Okay. What about you, Blake?
I think I like the green better.
All right.
Because it's spicier.
Okay. Blake likes the spice.
I'm a little, ooh, the red does have some kick.
Yeah, I thought the red one
was spicier. I like them both, really. One's flour, one's corn. They're like different. I like them both.
All right. Well, you guys heard it. Make them.
I like them both also, and I love the salad.
Oh, she likes
I love
the
this
salad.
dressing.
So make that cilantro lime dressing. The link's
Yeah.
below.
It's good.
Put together a nice salad.
Really good.
You can use that cilantro lime as like marinade for chicken too. That's the beauty of it. So thank you guys for stopping by Moby's Kitchen. Like, subscribe, tell all your friends, tell your family, tell your neighbors, tell everybody about it. Make these recipes, they're so good. This is a simple one you can do on a weeknight after a long day of work. Kimber's scarfed down her food already and she's just rolling around in the background. But thanks for stopping by. Like and subscribe. See you guys on the next video.